Yesterday, on a murder in the library, we left a dutiful Detective Dalrymple as she finished interviewing the event attendees. We met the widow, Mallory Malcolm, a lonely and eccentric woman who really loves her roses, the cat lady Kylie Sprock, friend of Miss Malcolm, and a feline fanatic, the rancher Darius Gear, a man whose business aspirations rise far above the cow pies beneath his feet, and the baker Camilla Crabapple, whose pie-in-the-sky dreams came true when she opened her beloved cupcake ranch.
Facts. Just facts. Ambrose Evergreen, deceased. Gardener to the widow Malcolm. Jack of all trades to Keely Sprock. Relationships to Baker, Carmilla Crabapple, and Darius Gear, rancher. Unknown. You know. At least one innocent life was lost here tonight. I suspect foul play. All right, Malcolm, give it to me straight. Did Ambrose dig his own grave while he was digging up your beloved garden?
You scoundrel! I would have done anything for my dear Ambrose. I loved him. He tended my heart just as lovingly as he tended my roses.
Mr. Gear, public records show you've had a bit of a tiff with our baker, Miss Crabapple. Seems to be there's some kind of rights issue over the name Cupcake Ranch. Anything you'd like to tell me about that?
Dagnabbit, detective. Can a cowboy live his life in peace? I'm guessing you're hinting at my run-ins with Miss Sprock. That land she's on is rightfully mine. Before her father died, we discussed turning it into a tourist attraction called the Cupcake Ranch. We just never got around to writing it down. But a cowboy's word is his bond.
Miss Crabapple, forget this sweet facade. Tell me what happened tonight.
Oh, detective, I didn't mean to kill poor Ambrose. I knew Darius Gear would be here tonight, and I couldn't let him take away my life's work. The Cupcake Ranch is all I have. I poisoned one cupcake, hoping to sneak it to Gear this evening, but Ambrose must have gotten to it before I separated it from the rest.
You're not the only one who killed Ambrose Evergreen tonight. This was a murder most multifarious. Miss Kylie Sprock. Come across some documents might be of interest to you. They concern the parentage of our dearly departed Mr. Evergreen. Care to elaborate?
The devilish man. That's right, Detective Dalrymple. Ambrose Evergreen was my half-brother. He came into town and wormed his way into our hearts, all the while plotting to contest my will and claim my property as his rightful inheritance. He left me no choice. As it is written, my will leaves everything, all my money and property, to my beloved cats. They were to live the life of luxury for the rest of their days. I regret nothing.
You think you've seen it all, but that was one for the books. That baker wasn't exactly a piece of angel food cake, and I wouldn't want to catch that Kylie Sprock on a bad hairball day. Oh well, another case put to bed. May it rest in peace.
Give me a second.
This is so funny.
I can't.
Some towns are just too quiet for their own good. We hope you enjoyed this episode of A Murder in the Library. Until next season, dear watchers, good night and visit your local library.